Anytime I bring Buhari matter here, una go wan kill me. But una no know the kind things wey me I dey see every day. No, relax. I wan show una something. Na very short video. So that una go understand me before I go further. You understand? Watch this video first. No, una see this man. We relax, I go explain. Oh, the place where dey like this now for Katsina State. E get ranch where na only cows they take care of. E own cows. I dey sure say many of una don dey hear about students wey miss for Katsina. No be 10 oh, no be 20 oh. About 200, 250, 300 students. Now they miss for Katsina. Oga president. So he no fit even go at least look for the parents of these children, because the parents don't they go outside the protest. This man leave Lagos, they go Katsina to go check in cows. So you don't even feel say, okay, make I even go pay condolence visit to these women and at least give them something. They go see cows. So now cows they more important than human beings. See person wey una elect as president. No, una don't see am. They choose animal. Anyhow, wetin we go talk when they follow in breed. Yes, na animal they follow animal. I no blame. See all these northerners. Now, I don't even dey pity una again, because as una they support Buhari left, right, center. I'm even happy self saying now for that una side Boko Haram they face. So make una continue to dey support am. Even this one, person go come they give us useless excuse say now why Buhari go Katsina. My people, Katsina they hot now as I dey talk to now. Students they miss. And again one student way among those ones he even able to escape. Relax. They come ask the students, say, as he escape now, they come ask and say, what happen? He say for the school, say they go, this thing happen around 9 p.m. Say for the school, he and his friends go, say they go read. So as they finish they read now, they come they waka, say they go. My people. Now so they just hear gunshot. Bah, bah, bah. See run. And as they turn back, they come see say people they pursue them. Now so they come they run. They say they even want jump the fence, but they no fit. Now so they come no, they can't catch them. And for their mind, they say they think say na security people, because they hold torchlight. You understand? You know how those security people they do? They hold torchlight, they check. They say that now waiting even deceive them for the first place. So as they catch them, they come they waka inside bush. They say they don't even feel recognize any place, because everywhere dark, bush. My people. Now so they come tell these students, make them sit down. Now for that place, this boy mind come sharp. And so he can't go one corner. And he no fit move, because they go here in full step. You know say bush, all those leaves they ground. So now so these boys stay for one place until they start they move. They continue their journey. Now so this boy can't they run, enter neighboring village. Now why this boy escape this thing? I know they like when people they twist matter. If I tell una say this thing na government work, una go they argue with me. No. Now why soldiers and security no they quick act if they call them say person disappear or they do this one? Now why they no they quick act? Because they wait so that all the victims they go convert them to Muslims. Now waiting they happen. Okay, make I ask you now. Waiting happen to Sheibu. Waiting they call that person name Sheibu. Waiting happen to Rati today. Now one of the Chibok students, or Chibok return our girls. Now one of them. Till today, this girl they never find her. Because now she be the only student who refused to turn to Islam. They never find her. And Buhari, our cow minister, refused to even talk about that girl. See wickedness everywhere. And some idiots go they talk say security under Buhari, they very good. Una mouth go kill una. Security they very good. The one way they pay me now be say Minister of Defense don't come outside, come open that mouth. We be like waiting no even get size. You don't come outside now. Relax. Hear what he talk. He say all missing Katsina students will be returned in few hours time. I bet which hour? My prayer, see, I know they like the wish people bad, but in this case, I just they wish say one of these politicians' children go fit join them for these children we miss. Maybe at that time they go stand up. See mothers. Some of these women, they don't even get husband. Some of them don't even get husband. And you see them, they protest, make them return their children. Which kind of government Nigeria gets? Which can go see all of una no be prayer. You no even need prayer and fasting for this thing. All of una na hellfire they wait for una. If you like, no repent. See, President. President Buhari. See, my people, make I just tell una as he stands now, make everybody just they go in your own. In fact, make they dissolve Nigeria because they not Nigeria again now. I be waiting they make up Nigeria. If not before, we go say okay Nigeria. Now, no Nigeria. Our president, I don't know whether they see, Abi no they see, if they talk, Abi no they talk. He just they there like statue. They go visit cow. When human beings like you, they miss. May God help Nigeria, my people. Now the matter, and now those students, they miss. Wait till una think, write that down there. Meanwhile, spirits they move about wahala for who no get spirits and double wahala for who no fit rest in peace. My people, this matter now from Zimbabwe. Now there the thing happen. I don't bring in a Zimbabwe matter. So relax. This very man where they talk about now businessman for Zimbabwe, where him died 36 years ago. Long. Now in spirit don't come back and they demand for recompensation. Abi compensation. Any English where you understand, take am. This man now, he say he need 5 virgins and he needs 75 cattle head. According to the story, they say now 5 of his friends kill him. They know to be friends, but they be neighbor where they get along. 5 of them now in plan, they poison him and the man die. And the reason why they poison him, they say the man get property, he get money. So after they kill him, they come abandon his body for one side. Now they come carry all the man property till today. And as they talk to now, those 5 neighbors, 4 don't die. So he remain one, he name na Charles. Now that one still there alive now. My people, now they don't talk say the 5 people wey kill him. One virgin must come out from their family. Wahala don't wear shoe. Wahala wear sneakers as they talk to now. The thing one I don't even know be say the name of the spirit now Ngozi. Ngozi kwa. Wetin Ngozi they fight for Zimbabwe? Because Ngozi for Nigerian language means blessing. Na Igbo name. Ngozi don't cross border. Then as I talk to that the 5 virgins, my people, if I they talk, una go just dey laugh. This man now, what he won't do with 5 virgins? No be conji the whole am. No. See, 5 virgins, 5. What did they do with them? If I be una we no say una be part of those families where they do for virgin. If I be you better go find who go this virgin you, because you are about to be used as sacrifice. Just go see, enter streets. Anybody where you see, bros, how far you won't do? Urgent. This is an urgent matter. No sit down there because your next movement, maybe in a cemetery, you go meet yourself. You go come wish say if you know, you for just do this thing since. My people, not be small matter. Instead of these 5 virgins, where they all these slave queens, now these people they suppose use, all these people where they no go allow me person husband arrest. Now then they even suppose go find. Una go just they jump. I don't know why this matter no even reach slave queen hand. So that una go change by force. Leave married men alone. Be a spirit man. I don't know you. No look for me, sha, but me I just they tell you in case you want change your mind. Time still day. Look for slave queens. Select them. If you no get, just DM me there. I go help you find. I know where they dey. You understand? Like people, if you ask me, oh, that man, because the spirit, according to the man, he said the spirit. They say the spirit don't enter the man. Now the man they act like the person will die. So now they bring us the information. But if you ask me, no spirit anywhere. Oh, this way they ask for virgins. Now he himself want chop those girls. Now he know wetin they find. 5, only you 5. Now so now spirit don't get power. Spirit now, una sabi lie. My people, I better no time.